Hay na hay at hindi makapaniwala si Jericho Rosales nang makita niya in person ang sikat na Hollywood filmmaker na si Christopher Nolan. Dumayo pa ang aktor sa Mumbai, India para dumalo sa special premiere ng epic fantasy film na The Odyssey, written and directed by Christopher Nolan. Makikita sa Instagram post ni Echo ang unforgettable experience niya sa nasabing event kung saan na hindi lang ang direktor ang nakita niya kundi ang cast na si Matt Damon, Tom Holland at iba pa. Sa video ay halos mamao sa kasisigaw ang aktor nang lumabas sa stage si Christopher Nolan.
What an experience. What an experience. Hi guys, I just came from the press con for the film The Odyssey.
Please give the loudest Mumbai welcome to Christopher Nolan!
It was so much fun. So much fun. My
Is in the world to see this film. By the way, did you like the film?
It's a Nolan film. What can you expect? It's always going to be big and it's always going to be great. This for me, but I'm too shy to approach her.
It was a privilege to get to make this film. It was a privilege to get to work with these incredible actors.
One could just wish for an actor, okay, like me. One could just wish that mapasama siya sa pelikula na yan. If I had to audition to become a sword in the film, an amazing, moving performance. Mind you, I cried so many times. I cried so many times.
Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for enjoying Chris's amazing work.
I'm gonna rewatch this film. I have to bring my entire family. I have to bring my friends to watch this film in IMAX because I just have to experience it again. It was that great.
Thank you very much for being here.
So that's it, guys. It has been really memorable and fun. This is Jericho Rosales in Mumbai.
Oh my God! Ang malakas niyang sigaw. Dagdag pa ni Echo, oh God, what an experience. Nang magsalita si Matt Damon, sigaw ulit si Echo, love you man. Gandang-ganda ang aktor sa pelikula at anya, it's a Nolan film. What can you expect? It's always going to be big and it's always going to be great. Dagdag pa niya, watching this film makes you feel you're part of the adventure. You're part of the journey home. Ipinakita rin ng boyfriend ni Janine Gutierrez ang bonggang popcorn box na ibinigay sa screening at say niya, gusto raw sana niyang papirmahan kay Christopher pero nahiya raw siyang i-approach ito. Saad pa niya kung pwede nga lang daw na makasama rin siya sa nasabing pelikula. One could just wish for an actor like me. One could just wish that mapasama siya sa pelikula na yan, anya. If I had to audition to become a sword in the film, I would do it pagbibiro pa ng aktor. Super praise rin si Echo sa performance ni Matt sa film. Matt Damon gave an amazing moving performance. Mind you, I cried so many times, kwento niya. Ipinakita rin ni Jericho ang hotel room na kanyang tinuluyan kung saan ay kitang-kita sa view niya ang Gateway of India. It has been really memorable and fun. Say pa ng actor sa kanyang buong experience. Sa comment section ay inggit na inggit naman kay Echo ang ilang celebrities. OMG! Reaction ni Bea Alonso. Ga! Say naman ni Casey Concepcion. OMG! Christopher Nolan. Matt Damon, that popcorn box. Komento naman ni Isa Calzado. Kainggit, mensahe naman ni Direk Irene Villamor. Ikaw na Echo. Samantala, very proud naman si Janine sa nobyong si Jericho Rosales kung saan nag-I love you pa nga ang aktor sa magaling at Hollywood star na si Matt Damon. Kayo, anong reaction nyo regarding dito?